We take your questions from social media on any particular topic. We go out into the world and we find answers for you. Remember, there are no dumb questions here. So if you have a question and you want us to find an answer for you, send me a DM on X and we'll try to sort you out. For this segment, we want to thank DappRadar blockchain research analyst Sarah Gergalis for helping us answer these questions. Let's get right into it. All of the questions on today's segment are about NFTs. The first one comes from Walk in the Clouds. They said, I want to know more about how NFTs are applied to real world assets instead of pixel images. Walk in the Clouds. NFTs definitely became popular through several PFP collections, but there are so many more sticky use cases for NFTs that folks are exploring right now. You hear us do interviews about them on the show all the time. Sarah told us that the applications of NFTs to real world assets represent a shift in how we tokenize and trade physical goods and rights. Let's take a look at a few examples to help us understand this just a little bit more. And let's start with physical art. Okay, artists and galleries are using NFTs to certify the authenticity and ownership of physical artworks. In these use cases, NFTs are linked to the piece and can provide details about the artwork's origin, previous owners, and verify its authenticity. The same principle can be applied to any luxury item or collectible. The next use case we're going to look at here is property titles and transactions. Yes, you heard me right. Even your house can be tokenized, and that's your physical house in the real world, not your digital house in the metaverse, although that can also be tokenized. Sarah tells us that when real estate is tokenized, it can help simplify the process of buying, selling, and transferring property titles. The method even promises to reduce fraud and make property ownership more accessible.